Hello, my name is Victor Tobi. I'm an ex-trainee of Plugstuck and a student of the University of Lagos. I'm here to tell you about the goodness of the experience at Plugstuck. I learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript during a period of 3 months at the coronavirus lockdown period. It opened me to a whole world of possibilities, from thinking about how hard it is to get a job after university graduation to just getting ready to get a job. The community is the best part of the training at Plugstuck. You get to learn firsthand from the best trainers who have already gone through the process of learning all this. The positive part of having trainers is it prevents you from making mistakes other newbies will make. Like you can learn what you're not or you can if you want to learn alone you can be learning outdated things, but the availability of trainers who also serve as your mentors will make sure that you go through the right route. The availability of trainers also inspires you to push yourself to be the best in your field, because seeing someone so good, like I said earlier, they are excellent and wonderful trainers at Plugstuck. So seeing someone so good will push you to be better. I'm currently a Python programmer, and I really appreciate the role Plugstuck has played in my journey so far. This foundation puts down by the excellent trainers at Plugstuck is what has gotten me this far in my journey. I can code very well in Python, and I really use the Django framework. I think you will regret it.